You have glass, ceramic, anything that slides on the table that you're afraid that may tip over and break. This is from Glengly Museum Paste. As we open up the box and show you what you get inside and what it looks like, it's nice, clear, silicone type rubber cement. It's a paste. This is what you get. It will settle inside the container. It's clear and reusable. It comes sealed and closed. Simply open up. If using on dusty areas, please make sure things are clean. This is what the paste looks like. You could take your finger and you could grab the paste, pull out as much as you need, work it around, take your bottle and pull off the excess that's around and place back into the jar. You get just about enough use of this to put on multiple things, reusable time after time. Check online for further detail about the museum paste. I hope you enjoy the product for bottles that can easily tip over and destroy. It does not leave any marks or residue at all. I'll show you one more time. You can simply take the paste out as much as you need. Glee. It's a paste. It's museum paste. Close-up look at the product. Simply grab your fingers, pull out as much as you want. It's a strong paste. It starts out clear, and depending on the surfaces you put on, like rubber cement, you can mold it, put it on a table, and you could press down. We're using the whole product to show you that you could take a bottle, place on, that it will hold. You could take a knife and you could go around. Now I got my hands out of the way so you can see that how easy it comes off, or hold and move. This will secure your bottle down, but it will not prevent it from banging over. As we give a firm press and we give a bang, you can see how it holds into place. I am giving pretty good force and banging. Once again, with the gel spread out on the table, taking a fixture, give a little twist, and with your finger taking away the excess and ready for use the next time. As it holds into place. When want to take off, simply take off, remove, place back into the container and allow it to settle. It is meant for tables, like so, as it's strong enough to hold on the wall, but come off over time. You can simply remove, take off, place back in for the next time. Enjoy your product. Museum Paste.